jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey everybody, it's the Christmas Eve and it's a time where people love to celebrate and every individual wishes the best for their family and their friends. So by the belief which goes, the Santa Claus comes down in his reindeer pulled cart and he blesses the good kids with fabulous gifts. But factually, it's the elders in the family who know the desire of their children and they do give them this gift which gives them the ultimate happiness. Click on to the elders who are actually watching this video right now. How about your desires and your happiness coming true this year? Let us choose that. Let us choose to be happy. Let us not depend on anybody to make us happy. Let's take 100% responsibility of our own life, of our own happiness, and let's choose to do that this year. The best gifts that you can gift yourself are, number one, upgrading and upskilling yourself. You might be an entrepreneur or a corporate executive as well as a homemaker. The simplest way to do so is to learn from the best in the industry. Just learn from their experiences, learn from the way they do it. Or else just join a course which will help you to truly discover yourself. Get a mentor who will help you to reach your targets 10 times faster than you think that you can do it. The second way is to learn to manage your finance. Learn where you are investing in your money, how do you make profit, whether is it a side hustle that you can earn the extra income or you can ask for a promotion. The third is to keep hustling and believe in miracle. Although hard work and miracle doesn't go hand in hand, but they do complement each other. So keep a positive mindset and know the why do you need it, and keep hustling to achieve it. The fourth is stay cheerful and spread happiness. So you know that what goes around comes around. Whatever you have within you, you'll be able to give more, receive abundant of it. So stay cheerful and spread happiness. The fifth is celebrate your victories. Remember this, as the fuel is important for the machine, celebration is as important to our soul. So make sure you spread happiness and joy not only in this Xmas but each and every day of our life. While Santa might look like a fantasy, it is actually the way of life. So as Santa is busy spreading joy, happiness and gifts to children, let us make sure that we become our own Santa. Wishing you a fun-filled, lovely Xmas. Merry Christmas to each one of you. Take care and thank you for watching this video. Bye.